Hey guys, I'm Sarah and it's school holidays, so I've got two of my helpers here today. And I've actually seen this in a few different places. They're called Fruit Scoffins. They're just 3 ingredients and it sounds super duper simple. And the best thing for people who are concerned about it is there's actually no added refined sugar in there. So first of all, 1 very full cup of fruit salad and juice. We've got to sift in 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. One of you can very gently stir that together and one of you can grease the muffin tray. This will make either 12 small or 6 medium-sized muffins. Sorry, scoffins. I vote we go for 6 medium-sized. We put them in a preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I'm guessing from the ingredients, this isn't going to be like overly sweet. It's but I'm thinking if you want it sweeter, you could always add sugar, obviously, or you could use fruit in syrup instead of fruit in juice. Just chopping it. It is kind of a sconish like texture.
I can definitely smell scone. It's interesting. Not sure how to describe it.
It's different.
Yeah.
I mean, it is. It really is a cross between a scone and a muffin. You could butter these. I think that'd be nice with a little bit of butter on.
Oh yeah. No, it's actually quite good with butter. I like that.
It's a great one for the kids to do. It's nice and easy. I would, if I do this again, I'll probably just add a little bit of sugar into the mix. You don't want much, but just enough to give it a little bit of sweetness the whole way through, because the bites of it that you take that don't have fruit in, it's like a plain scone. But that's a neat recipe. As I say, I've seen it in a few different places and I've wanted to give this a wee go for a while now. Leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe, have a go at a scoffin. Bye.